Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I want to come and do like a quick lipstick swatch for you guys. This new Morphe lipstick. I've just done a makeup look tutorial on this on the eyeshadow palettes, and so I want to come and show you guys this three glossy lip. I'm actually having the purple one right now on my lips, so this is what it looks like with a little bit of lip liner. I use the KIKO lip liner in 321. That's what I use to line my lip a little bit. But so I'm going to show you guys how the rest of the color look on my lip without lip liner. But definitely if you're going to wear this lipstick, you need a lip liner so that you can shape it, play with it a little bit the way you want. But for me, I love it. I love it like this. You know, the purple is really nice, and a little bit of lip liner just to shape my lip a little bit. But I really love that the purple is very pigment. It's very like very glossy. Lip is very beautiful. I really do. I really love it. So this is what the purple look like on my lips. Very sheer, very beautiful. So now we're gonna try the next shade. Just gonna wipe this off with a wipe, baby wipe, makeup wipe. Be careful when you're wiping. Just want to make sure I wipe everything off my lip. Yeah, don't want to wipe. I don't want to wipe my makeup off. So now it's time to try out this shade. This is very beautiful. So you guys can see, this is the shade. Very beautiful. Really like it. So let's give this a try. Oh, this one has like a gold glitter. Oh, OMG. Oh, this is okay. A little bit go a long way. I'm not putting any more. I'm just trying to like blend it on my lip, but I'm not like pumping any more product out. Yo, this is so beautiful. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see the gold glitter? Like, I think this would be so nice with our brown lip liner. But I'm just gonna show you guys how this look. If I'm gonna wear this, I'm definitely gonna line my lip with a brown lip liner and then put this one in the center, and that's gonna make your lip look so juicy. Like, I'm just gonna put a little bit in the center because I love when the lip gloss is like settle around my lip. I don't know why, like around here. This is, yeah. Yes, I love that. I love when I apply lip gloss, it's settled around there. Like, it looks so good. I really like it. So this is what this one is looking like. Looks so beautiful. Really love it. It looks really nice. Oh my god, I'm loving the makeup. So let's wipe this one off as well. I'm gonna take a clean wipe. Wipe everything off. Even though I am wiping it off, I'm still having the gold glitter on my lip. Like, I feel like this is my favorite. I feel like the one with the gold glitter, it's absolutely your girl's favorite. Like, so now it's time to try the last but not the least. So we're gonna try this one. Focus, this one. I love it. It's so small, it's so cute. I'm not gonna use any lip liner, but if I'm gonna use this lip gloss on my own, I'm definitely going to use lip liner. But for now, Oh, this one also have that little bit of that gold glitter. That's sparkling. Oh, this is so cool. Ah, a little bit go longer. Oh, this is so you know what? I love all the shades. No joke, no lie. I love it. I love lip gloss. So just gonna add a little bit more just so you guys can see that shade. Ooh, you guys see that? Can you just imagine me having a lip liner? Like, can you guys see that? It is so beautiful. I love all the three shades of this glossy lipstick. They are all beautiful. They are all really nice. I really do love it. So this is what this one looks like. It's so, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I really do love it. I do. I really love this look. It's so nice. Yeah, so guys, this is the finished result. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys want to see the tutorial of this, I got subscribe and press on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, this is the finished result, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe en share, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. This is again Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet me niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doei, bye.